My best friend. My best friend is Fayaz from the school time. We are good friends from childhood and still continue. He is a smart boy having a fair complexion and dimpled cheeks. He is a handsome boy. I like him so much. I still remember the day we met in our kindergarten class and became great friends forever. He is very entertaining, jolly, and helpful. He understands me a lot and is always ready to help me in all my bad or happy conditions. We are classmates. We go to school together every day and play sports daily in the nearby grounds of our house. I love my friend.